y'all, Juliana here, sitting next to a pretty distinctive species of mushroom that marks our winter solstice, the peach-colored Fly Agaric, or the Amanita persicina. Now what we're seeing here is just the fruiting body of a larger organism that is mostly hidden from view underneath the soil. You can think of mushrooms that you see above the soil as the apples on an apple tree. So if I were to pick a mushroom, I don't kill the entire organism, I'm just picking an apple. Amanitas have pretty distinctive features that let any observer know almost right away that it belongs to the Amanita genus. What you can see very clearly on this species of fungus is the warts on the mushroom cap. Now the warts are not actually connected to the mushroom cap. Instead, they are remnants of the universal veil. That is the covering that coats the mushroom as it's growing and sprouting from the earth. As the mushroom grows and swells, it bursts through the universal veil like a chick bursting out of the egg, and bits and pieces of that ripped veil stick to the sticky mushroom cap. As the mushroom ages and matures, bits of the universal veil, those warts, may fall off entirely, whether through age or getting washed off in the rain. Another distinctive feature of the peach-colored Fly Agaric is the presence of a partial veil, which looks like a veiled collar hanging from the stem of the mushroom. Now the partial veil forms in a young mushroom and conceals the fertile surfaces, in this case the gills of the mushroom, so that these spores are not prematurely released. Those spores will, when the time is right, make their way out into the habitat here and spread the fungus. As the mushroom cap opens, it will rip that partial veil and create a collar which will hang from the stem. Originally, the peach-colored Fly Agaric was thought to be a subspecies of that classic red and white Fly Agaric, or Amanita muscaria, which dots the coniferous forest out west. DNA analysis revealed that though they are related, they are indeed distinct species, but both species form symbiotic mycorrhizal relationships with trees. In the low country, the peach-colored Fly Agaric forms relationships with the pines, like those that you can see around me, and oak trees. Out west, that classic red and white Fly Agaric forms relationships with firs and spruces, those trees that are traditionally brought into our homes to celebrate the holiday season. Some mythology and folklore tie the Amanita muscaria even more closely to Christmas, linking the red and white colors of the mushroom to the red and white robe of Santa Claus, and the reindeer's ability to fly to the real-life tendency of reindeer to eat the psychedelic toxin-infused Amanita. But regardless of their role in the origin of our beloved Christmas characters, Amanitas, like this peach-colored Fly Agaric, do impart an important lesson we should all be reminded of during this time of giving and gratitude. Cooperation and sharing foster healthy ecosystems and resilient communities. Merry Christmas.